My name is Mike Clagg, and I'm president of Herman Reeves Textile Sheet Metal in Gastonia, North Carolina. We're a fab shop, so we can do anything that's heavy gauge all the way through 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/8, up to 2000. We were mainly a duct shop, and we manufactured high-end material handling ductwork and also filtration ductwork for the textile industry. We continue to do that, but that market got smaller. And so we reinvented ourselves by getting into lasers and press brakes and punches and stuff like that. So we're a very flexible shop, so we can do lots of different things. But our roots all started with the ducts, with material handling ductwork in the textile industry. We make a lot of rectangular duct, and once you use that machine and you see how nicely that inserts a corner and squares that up, it's really hard to duplicate that by manpower. So we felt, just to pay off on having the corner inserted correctly and squaring that corner up was a big plus. Because when you do it manually with hammers and stuff, sometimes they're square and sometimes they're not. So we felt the dependability and the ability to make our duct even that much better would enhance our overall operation. Now, as far as the table going up and down, that's a plus. Now, we had to dig a pit to put it in, but that allowed us to do both transitions and other pieces of duct that we couldn't normally do by being inserted into the floor. And when they showed us at one of the shows that they had, trust me, I was a little bit worried because they just had it out on a loading dock. And when we saw it, but once you see it in operation and you have the proper pit and the proper fit, it really maximizes your production. Well, we got good people, and if you got good people along with good machinery, and it makes them proud too, because they're in an environment that's clean. They like having updated equipment. They know that we're reinvesting in our company and reinvesting in them as employees. It makes your job a little bit easier. So, they're happy, and as long as you got happy employees, you're going to be successful.
Does the machinery you purchase from Mestek make you money?
Absolutely. There's no question in my mind.